In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer money from your OneXBet account to your bank account. So before we proceed, I would advise you create a professional OneXBet account, and to do that, click on register, click on phone. In this next section, I would advise you input all your necessary details correctly, and then on the promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After inputting the promo code Chelsea TV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which is when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000. And when you're done, you click on these three boxes, then you register. So back to our video. To transfer money to your bank account from your OneX account, you click on the menu button below. After clicking on the menu button below, you click on settings above. As you can see withdraw from account. You click on it. You scroll down and decide on which bank you want to transfer the money into. So for instance, if you are using PalmPay, you click on it. After you click on it, you input the amount, your phone number, the PalmPay number, and then your full name. When you are done, you click on confirm, and your money will be transferred to your bank account.